Hello guys, welcome back to the Filament tutorial. Today we will see how to add State Overview widget in the Filament panel. We will add the State Overview widget which will show the users detail or blogs detail or any resource detail, how many users are there and all the things. So let's come to the Filament documentation. Go to the widgets. In the widgets you can see here State Overview widgets. Click on that. It is taking some time to load. Yeah, so here you can see we have to type this command Filament widget for add the State Overview widget. So let's copy this command and add into our project. Paste it here and hit enter. Here it is asking for you want to add widget in blog resource or some another resource, but we have to add it on dashboard, so simply hit enter here. We have to add it in admin panel, means dashboard. Simply hit enter and let's open this file widget. This will create widget folder and in this all the widgets will be listed. So here you can see in the panel we get nothing, but let's return states for the user so we can see. First argument is a title and second argument is the data, so let's give it users, and in the second argument we will show the data of users count. So let refresh and see what happens. Yeah, here you can see user listed here that have 1. We can define the color also, so let's define the color success. Before that we need the label and icon. Label means description. User stats. You can see here it is coming with the success color. So let's see in the documentation we can add the icon also. You can see trending up and down icons are here. Let's put trending up icon. You can see here icon is added here. We can also show the chart here from the documentation. Let's copy the chart method and paste it there. So you can see the chart, line chart is added in this widget. So that's it for State Overview widget. Thank you very much.